flag-off ceremony of the exercise Still Water is part of proactive measures at tackling insurgency by the Nigerian Army in collaboration with other sister security agencies. The GOC2 Division Major General Gold Chibuisi said the exercise will help check criminality and strengthen Army civil relations.
Exercise Still Waters is one of the exercises conceived by the Army to boost troops' ability to tackle current security challenges. It commences today and will run for the remaining part of the year.
He charged Nigerians to provide meaningful information that will help them nip in the bud the activities of criminals. Oyo State Chief of Staff Segun Ogunwuyi, who represented the Oyo State Governor at the event, commended the Army for the new development and charged all other security agencies to work together, saying hoarding of information in the past by security agencies has impacted negatively on the country's security architecture, and therefore pledged government commitment to their efforts.
Now we are talking Operation Still Water. We are talking New Dawn. We are talking code names of operations that civilians can relate with. So on this note, I want to really commend him, because that means we have changed strategy. We have changed direction in the fight against insurgency, banditry, and all what.
This exercise Still Water, an approach of the Nigerian Army to stem the activities of bandits, insurgents, as well as kidnappers at this Yuletide period. Well, it is a proactive step to ensure that lives and property are well secured now and beyond and now.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.